we do what we call property preservation inspections every 6 months on every unit. So, and then that report, which has anywhere from 10 to 30 pictures in it, and commentary by our inspector, gets emailed to the owner. So it does give an opportunity if the owner has concerns, or and then it's also reviewed internally. We look for things on those reports to say, we haven't had a maintenance call on this property in 6 months or a year, but what's going on in this property? And it allows us to look at the pictures and say, it's interesting. I don't think they're supposed to have a dog, or I see a stain on the roof there. We should spin up some maintenance requests to go look at that. Or it gives us it gives us visibility into it to then engage with the owner.
Well, and I think what you've mentioned there is a really great asset of what you're providing. Um, a lot of companies that do scattered site management, or even just owners that have properties all over the place, might not get to their properties for a
Hmm.
year or years. Uh,
Right. Right.
so if you're intentionally getting into each unit every 6 months, I think that's
Right.
great. Because, and like you said, there's so many things that can happen at a property that maybe the tenant won't
Hmm.
report it, or not realize what's going on, or not
Right.
really, be trained to look for something. So getting eyes on
Right.
the property goes a long way.
Well, yeah, I mean, we've come across situations where, a tenant put a bucket under the kitchen sink and they just said, yeah, I just never call. I just empty it every so often. Well, that's not going to be good. Or even life and safety things, handrails that are loose, smoke detectors have been taken down. Or like I said, that we run into a thing where, yeah, they're not supposed to have dogs, or they're not, there's 8 people living in a place that we didn't know about. So, yeah, we want to get out in front of that stuff and make sure it's dealt with.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.